Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to download and install Anaconda software for using Jupyter Notebook. You just have to type here Anaconda download for Windows. There will be the first link you can see here. Click on this link and you will find a download button. Click on this download button and automatically your download will be started. You just have to save the setup. It is 708 MB of file, so it will take some time to download. Is downloaded. You can see that download has been completed. So you just have to go to the folder where it is downloaded. The application has been downloaded here. You just have to double click and open the application. So it will take some time. In this way the software will start to install. You just have to click on next. You have to agree this terms and condition. Okay, you just have to click on next. Then you have to select the destination folder. Sometimes this folder, it shows that it is not empty, so you can select your new folder where you are willing to store all the files related to this particular software. Okay, so currently I have Anaconda installed in my system. That's why it's showing that this is not empty. It will not show to you, so you just have to click next and then click on finish. Okay, so Anaconda software will be installed. You just have to go to your search bar and just search for Anaconda software. So you will find here Anaconda. Click on this. Once you click on the Anaconda, the software will start running and it will take some time. So it's loading. It will initialize and open. And now the software has been opened. So in this, we are willing to launch the Jupyter Notebook and work upon Jupyter Notebook for our Python compiler. So just click on launch button and automatically your Chrome will give you interface for working on Jupyter Notebook. And then it is very simple. You just have to go on new and create a new notebook file from this particular button, Python 3. Once you click on this, a new notebook will be opened in this way. Very first thing that you have to do is go to file, rename your file whatever you want. So if I want trial notebook 1, okay, I'll just rename it by clicking here and then I can start my Python coding. Okay,